Yes.
Yes. So now we will share the screen. Your screen, please share your screen again, Max. Yeah, wait a minute. Now you can share it.
You have to disable yours first.
Yeah, please again.
What? My internet connection is unstable.
Yeah, good. So now you can choose, wait a minute, you have to, OT4 means apply these changes to all the cells with the same settings. So click on this also and go to OK.
So now,
Open it, exactly. Can you feel it?
Yeah.
Now try to write anything. Try to write in the next cell. Try to write female or male. It's accepted. This means that you did not stop him. What to do now? Please highlight again. No. Highlight the cells, the whole cells. Yeah, here. And go back to data verifying and let's check what's the problem. Yeah, fail Middelande. Yeah, you stopped them already. So what's the problem?
But I think is the same. The spelling was correct. That means must it avoid it because I did not just choose from the list.
Go back to Instellningar or settings in the first tab.
Okay.
Lista. Yeah, choose. Okay, close Lista. Okay, close it. This is right. Lista, yeah. Go to Utfor dessa ändringar på alla andra celler. And go OK, do OK. Go back to the same cell. Write something other than male, just mal, like this.
This one. Yeah.
For shock, Ian, try again. Try to write male, complete male. Let's see. Yeah, okay. It's accepted. Yeah, I can see. This means that even if you enter it right, it will understand that this is one of the choices.
Yes. Because when you fill your own, you did not put female complete.
Exactly, that's right. So try to write female complete. Handwriting, yes. I mean, writing.
Christina, preparing us.
Yes. So even if you write it but correctly, it will accept it. So it's smart. Yeah. Good. So that's good. Yeah. Could you please stop sharing your screen? Good. So now we have learned how to create a list. And now do you want to take a break now or should we continue? 5 minutes break?
It's okay.
If you don't want, we can continue. Max, are you with me? I think Max is disconnected.
It's already gone.
Yeah. Then let's take 5 minutes. Now it's at 12:15 till 12:20. We take a break and then we come back. I'll keep the session on. Okay?
Thank you.
See you.
So I think you can add as many as you want, like not just male, female. You can add more if you want. Girl, boy.
Yes, yes. As much as you want. And separated by semi-comma.
Hmm.
And that's it. We will do this. We will apply this to, let me share a screen again. Yes. So let's work on the student date of birth should be between 1st January 1999 and 31st of December 2000. Because this student usually, let's say in the 9th grade, so their date of birth should be within a year after or a year before.
Mm-hmm.
So I will take this data, I will cut it and put it here, so maybe I will use it later. Okay, leave it here. But now date of birth is empty. So what I'm going to do is I will highlight the data that I want. I will go to data verifying. So allow here, I will allow datum. Datum means date. We are talking about dates. And this date should be mellan. It could be mellan, could be between, it could be not between, it could be equal, it could be bigger than, lower than, okay? Max? Are you with me?
Yes.
Good. So the date, so we choose here to allow dates, datum, and the data should be between, which is mellan. The start datum, here I want it to be, let's say, I said what I said. I said 1st January 1999 and between 31st of December 2000. The end data, the rubric, let's say the date of birth, student date of birth should be between 1st January 1999 and 31st December 2000. And we can use the same message. This message, you can see it. You can use it here, the same message in the field. So we want to stop the person, and we call it date mistake, date of birth mistake. And then we can use the same message also. Now, let's see. Once I put the cursor on the cell, it will give me date of birth. Student date of birth should be between 1st January 1999 and 31st December 2000. So I will enter 3rd March 1999. It's okay. Let's enter 16 January 2001. See, student date of birth should be between 1st January and 31st December. So we should try again. So it should be, let's see, 16 April 2000. So it's right. And blah, blah, blah. On the same, let's stay here. Let's, for example, if you enter a value, if I want, sometimes what we do, like, if you want the student date of birth to be anything, but it's impossible for the person date of birth to be after 18 May 2020. It means that he's not born. So we need to tell, we need to control that the entry should be less than today. For example, let's highlight again this date of birth, go back to verifying, and we will go again to the datum. I don't want the datum to be mellan, I want it to be less than or mindre än, and here the slut datum you can use now. Let me close this. Let me close this. First, I will show you a function that gives you the date of today. Here, choose any cell, and you can write equal to today or idag. That's it. So it will give you 18 of May 2020. So what I'm going to do here, I will highlight the whole range of cells in date of birth, go back again to data verifying, and I will choose the value of the date of birth to be less than today, idag. I will write it. So here I can write a formula also. And I want to apply this to all the cells. So let's see what happened here. We should change the message again. This message is not right. Maybe we can delete it. We don't need this message because we don't need to write anything. But the fail message, we want to change it. We should write the student date of birth should be less than today. So let's try, for example, if you are entering 19 March 2021. The student date of birth should be less than today. So what we have done actually is, let's say 14 October 2015. What we have done is we highlighted the data here. We went back to data verifying. We choose to allow date. We are talking about dates. Should be less than idag. And this idag is, or today, is a function. So here we can use functions also by using of equal idag. Then we open and close the brackets, and that's it. Okay?
Yeah.
Can you do it, Parinaz?
Yes.
I'll stop share. Please do share your screen.
We choose date. I do it for between or
It's up to you.
Yeah.
You can choose it between.
Between 1st January 1999 till 31st December.
See, you're right, December.
December 2000. Date of birth. Date should be between 1999 and December.
You can copy this message and use it as it is in the error alert.
Yeah.
Good.
Here.
Good.
Here the messages come up and can feel it. 3 of March 1999. 23 Feb 2010. It's error.
Exactly. Good job.
Thank you.
Yes.
Or yes, stop it. And then
You can stop share. And now we will move to something else.
Can I try
we-
to?
Is it clear first? Do you have questions?
Yes, it's clear. But can
Yeah.
I do it? Okay,
Yeah, you will do the next one.
Okay, okay.
You will do the next one, which is the mobile number must be 10 digits. And how we do this, I'll show you how to do it, and then Max, you can do it yourself.
Okay.
So we're talking about mobile numbers. So we highlight first the data intended, data that we want. And then we go to data verifying. What a problem. Oh yeah, I think here. There's kind of. Yes. So we highlighted the cells here, which are the mobile number. And now we go to settings and we choose, see here, text length or the length of the text. So we choose text length. It should be lekamid. Lekamid means equal. And the length should be 10. How many? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exactly. This means the exact number of letters should be 10. And the meddelande, let's see, phone number or mobile number is the RIC. And we choose, please enter a 10-digit mobile number. The same here. We call it error. Okay, so let's see what's going on. First, I will delete this data. And then I will get a message, mobile number. Please enter a 10 digits mobile number. Okay. It's 10 digits. Now let's try to enter. By mistake, I entered This is 11. So please enter a 10-digit mobile number. So it's exactly the same idea, but it's good to know what options that you can use. Like, for example, you can control how many letters in the text, 10-digit in this case. You can control the bigger than a date, lower than a date. You can create a list of things, okay? You can, and there are many other things actually, but at least one, for example, if you are in the work and somebody is asking you, oh, please, Max, I want you to put the country, for example, here, the country we want to just specific countries for the student to choose from. So in this case, you know, okay, they are talking about list. They are talking about lista, data validation. And then if you can go back to the video or you can look for data validation, it's impossible in the same session or in this session to know everything about Excel. Excel is like a sea, it's huge. But at least when somebody tells you to do something, you understand what is this. This is data validation, so I can search for data validation and I can read more about it. And actually, I'm going to send you some important pages on the internet. It's available and it takes you step by step and it gives you more examples how to do things also. So you can also have your self-reading also.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
So now, can you do it, Max?
Okay.
I stop share.
Yeah. Can you see me now?
Yeah. We can see you.
Mm-hmm.
Can you see my flowers?
Yes. Very nice.
Yeah, thank you.
And then we put valve for this.
We're talking about text linked. I know that you have some difficulty. You have
Yeah,
some
text link.
difficulty,
Yes,
exactly.
yes.
So it should be equal. Equal in English, in Swedish
Likamed.
means lekamed, exactly.
And then not more than 10 digits.
Yeah, or not exactly 10 digits. Lekamed means exactly or equal.
Okay, equal. That means equal to 10 digits.
Yes, exactly. No, just
No, just
Okay, must be 10 digits.
just 10.
because let me explain it. You see data, and you write 10 in linked, but above this there is data. Data means, and here lekamed, what is the action? The action should be. So this whole window means allow the text length to be equal to 10.
So I have to put 10 in numbers, right?
Exactly, 10, just number 10.
Yes.
And now you have to enter the message. Yeah.
Can I put this one first?
The input message and the fail message, yeah. If you want, you don't need to write anything here. It's up to you. But it's better. It will show the user what to do.
And then the title will be what will I have as the title?
You can write just the what we are talking about. We are talking about telephone number, mobile number.
Mobile number. Message must be 10 digits. Right?
Yes.
Exactly.
Okay, I have to put fail message also.
You forgot it.
Yeah. You know what? Even if you forget it, it will give you a message that this is not correct. It will give a message from the system, not from what you choose to write.
Hmm.
Exactly. No, not here. In the mobile. No, 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 no. In the mobile.
Oh, I was actually date of birth.
Good morning, Max.
Stop. I will show you. Wait.
I have to delete everything.
I will show you how to copy this instead of doing it. Wait a minute. Stop your screen. It's good that you did this. We can take it positively. Let's see here. Let's say that you did a mistake, and instead of doing it here, you did it here, or okay, or vice versa. So now, instead of doing this again, what can I do? This is the cells that I want to copy them, or not them, actually, the data verification to the other cells. So what I do, I choose this cell, because this cell has data verification. Right click, copy it, and then I highlight, I go here. Now I have actually a data verification here, but let's say this one doesn't have a data verification, but I want to apply what's here to here. So I copy the data here. So I right click on the cell that I wanted to get the same data verification, and I go to paste special, cluster in special. I go to the last one, and then I choose to copy the verifying, not the value, the verifying, and then okay. Now, sir, this one, if you enter, for example, just enter Sarah Elton, or Sarah Isa, or Sarah Elton, it tells you the student date of birth should be less than today. It gives you exactly the same settings of the cell that we copied. Could you repeat it, Parinaz?
Yeah.
Okay, please, I will stop share your screen. This problem with this Zoom is that you can only get 40-minute sessions. I will try to find solution for this.
I think for new update,
no, the new update, actually, we have to pay for this, the upgrade. If you have to pay for this, and I will talk with my people here.
Okay, I copied mobile number to full name. Copy.
Exactly.
Here. Paste special in English. And we just do it for validation.
Yeah, this means paste only the validation, not the values.
Yeah. And okay. Here, the mobile, when we are clicking here in the first, the telephone number should be 10 digit. If I writing means Sarah Essa, it should be error.
To give you the same message.
Yeah.
Exactly.
And retry.
You should enter a phone number.
Phone number. It's
It's
the
not
more
10
than.
digit. It's 10 digit.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Mhm.
6. Yeah, it's 10.
Did you choose-
Because
try to click somewhere else. No. It's not allowing you to do this. Maybe there is some kind of mistake in this.
and here also it's a 10 digit.
It's all 10 digits, yes.
Yeah.
Try again. Can you open, yeah, delete this. Okay, I want you to, okay, you choose this cell, go to, choose this cell that you, no, the cell that you deleted. Yeah, this,
Then
go to data verifying. Let's see what's happening. Data verification or validation, yes. Yeah. Yes, and try to click on this, apply. Yeah, I can see that it's applied to here, to mobile numbers. Try to fill something in the full name.
telephone number.
Hmm? It's not accepting. We will see what's this. I will look for it. I will try to, but maybe because, I'm not sure, but maybe because we choose the type of this cell not to be number, to be a
Number.
maybe a number or something. Yeah, because it was okay with Max when he did this, or
Yeah.
with me. Sorry, with me. Let me. I will try to find what's the reason. The point is now. This session is going to end according to Zoom after few minutes, 2 minutes. See, the format cells. It's
Yeah,
general. It's general, so it should be anything. It can be accepted anything. So I will try to find what's the problem with this. No problem. I will see what's the problem. I will try to do the same here in my laptop and see what's the problem with this, and I will let you know.
Okay.
Good. So stop share your screen, please, Parinaz. Good. And now we have less than 1 minute. This is the session for today. And if you have any question, I can start a new video with you now. Okay. And if not, then we meet next week with the new